welcome to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Enough time I tell them say some serious money there at Jamaica. And even amongst the youths them only things say, can't afford a slice of bread. I'm going to show you now a video clip. And I want to take it in because this right here so, I don't understand what I see. I know the whole flossing culture, I know say, man them have the money enough and all them things. I understand all of that. But I can't understand my process. Right? Or I can't understand with my eyes them I see. My brain can't process it because the man them I set money on fire. I mean, if one of them you have to catch a charge, your favorite activist still tell you say, boy, him couldn't even afford a slice of bread where you want him to do. The malnutrition force him to go over Charmaine Ratchy and go take off her head, even though that don't make no sense. Man, we all know right, the idea that, Tredegar Park and these things have anything to do with hunger and malnutrition is rubbish. But no could just work with the activist narrative, right? The man tell you say, well, use them now the money, use them. Right now in Jamaica, criminal youths have the most money. If anything, a law-abiding youths now the money. The youth them who not feel sorry for and things they need one slice of bread, otherwise I'm going to drop them and dead, at them have the money. You think them rifle are cheap? We'll get into the rifle them. Just check out this video. Now, as me say, if one of them you there, catch a charge, you go here, what if them now the money where you want them to do? Cut the crap. Right now in the streets, them young youths are nowadays, it's fast money. Right? Them youths are make money when they never seen on the life. Them youths are make more money than the lecturer where you walk or tell people said use them now the money. Right? Most people are talking about what you expect the youths them now. You're out of touch. You're talking about the 1970s youths. You're talking about the 87s from the 70s and the 80s when time when they broke and hungry like dog. And need an MP to bring one gun come give them. Then youth are, and of course the video we talk about youths in general now. Because I'm not winning the video. But more than to understand something, when you go in a bad man place, your favorite 87 have more disposable income than enough of the people them rob. Because them are bringing it in from the extortion, the scamming and the herbs and all the kind of things. We don't see how much weapon I get dig up over stadium. We don't see AK-47. We don't see AR-15. We don't see some of the firepower the man them have. One of the AR them, the butt stock adjustable. Right. When they break it down based on different parts, they are talking about a weapon where in the streets right now, we are talking about maybe $600,000. Big money. $500,000, $600,000 rifles, 87s are walk around with. People have to understand the concept, right, of this 87 walking around and boy from the it's outdated. These youths are armed to the teeth. And the fact say them have money, fast money, make them even more dangerous. People who were there when Stone Crusher rise can tell you now. The addition of fast money, the addition of the scamming money, on top of the acidity, was one of the reasons why Stone Crusher was so dangerous. Rifle for kill. Rifle for days. Crocus bag a shot. That is not an exaggeration. That right they say is not hyperbole. People remember can tell you. Police, security forces and 87 shootout. When time the smoke clear, crocus bag a shot. You know a shot there right now? You know a shot there full stop? One of the reasons why these gangs can be so destructive is because them now have a bag of money. And then when you couple it to the fact say the one them are linked with their favorite artists and favorite producers and might get money from that angle. A dangerous recipe. Dangerous recipe. When time I look on the Stadium East, when I look on where them a dig up, the man them a fire the same weapons them like JDF and JCF. Now when it was 87s, terrible at shooting. But in the matter them still have the equipment. People can tell about the Yankee them when them sit down and start fix up for them weapons and put on the bases and the best that. When them done. Well, as a 87 rifle I look now. Rifle you can buy a car. Una so much shot the man them fire off New Year's Eve for idleness. Why you think them gang wars can go on so long? Why you think them can manage to shoot out with the security forces hours on end, and them can shoot out with each other night after night after night after night? At least 100 rounds of fire every night and they not catch nobody and they might come back the next day. If 87s could shoot effectively, may I tell you something, I don't want to see the murder rate. It's crazy. Speaking about murder rate, I see them mention over 100 people so far in about 22 days. When time I look on it, I see St. James a lead. Are the same violence producers them in St. James, nothing no change. The same people them, the same names them. And the security forces, the government can't keep them off of the streets. St. Catherine North is second on the list. St. Catherine North that had murders dropped last year, way down, is now second already on the list. I'm telling you, say, the youth, them are baby killer. Him alone, him and Muta them linking up, alone can send St. Catherine North back the days when time them they way up on the murder charts. When you think a joke, man, go check it for yourself. Go check it for yourself. The amount of names when me say the bedbugs them kill already. When time I see about 11 people dead up in St. Catherine North, I say, alright. You tell me. Between St. Catherine North, St. Catherine South, and St. James. That right there, so make up the bulk of the murders so far. St. Catherine North, same old names. St. James, same old names. Because even when time I look on it, I say, I really about 4 or 5, maybe 6 divisions are the problem in Jamaica, you know. About 6 divisions in Jamaica responsible for the bulk of the murders. Portland so far, 0 murders. St. Mary so far, 0. Oh, and by the way, go check the stats. Portland is one of the poorest parishes in Jamaica. That's a fact. Okay. Usually come out in the top 3, top 5. Portland. And St. Mary as well. The irony. Spooky. If you 87s them, have money for burn. And must stock up on them ammo and them rifle them. They have to be neutralized. Gangs have to be neutralized. But maybe we can try and look at social intervention still and see it work out. Good luck with that though. But I watch and see. I watch and see how it work out. Social intervention. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up in yourself. PIA, you don't know, whole life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.
Checking it.